How to enable or disable video transition effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page, which is where most of the timeline editing happens. This is where you can view your clips and transitions clearly. Next, look at the transition effect on your timeline. These usually appear as overlapping sections between two clips. Click on the transition to select it. Once selected, you can either press the delete key to remove it or right click on it and choose delete from the menu to disable it. If you want to add or enable a transition, go to the effects library on the top left side, open the video transitions folder and drag any transition of your choice to the cut between the clips. You will see it snap into place automatically. Now, to adjust or customize the transition, simply click on it in the timeline. The inspector panel will show the transition settings where you can change the duration, style, or even switch to a different transitions if needed. If you don't see the transition applied properly, double check that the clips have enough overlapping frames. Without this, some transitions won't work as expected. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable video transition effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.